Magnet kitchens are renowned for their extensive catalog of modern kitchens, offering only high-end quality and marvelous designs. They specialize in space-saving furniture, such as this sliding table that doubles as storage. Or better yet, their ingenious signature illusion sink, which will enhance the aesthetic of your home. Their waste system is both smart and easy to use. Finally, another standout invention is their pull-out table, perfect as an extra workspace. These innovations truly reflect Magnet Kitchen's brilliance in the kitchen market. This smart sink has certainly taken the internet by surprise. With its luxurious rectangular shape, heavy-duty material, LED digital temperature display, and practical cup rinser, it has rightfully earned the title of the sink of the future. As for this coffee table, it's specifically designed for movie enthusiasts. Coupled with a wireless charger, a USB port, LED lighting, and an integrated fridge, your snacks are locked and loaded, ready for your next binge-watching session. The Line-Meble offers some of the most clever, space-saving ideas for small kitchens with its functional solutions. For example, their sliding and pull-out tables are one of a kind. Made from high-end materials, they ensure great stability while saving an impressive amount of space. Additionally, their pop-out power sockets are water-resistant and designed to prevent splashes, making electronic use in the kitchen effortless. These sockets are strategically placed throughout the kitchen to ensure every corner is powered, leaving no shortage of outlets. As for the drawers, they close quietly and smoothly, enhancing the overall quality of the kitchen furniture. Valerie kitchens also feature fantastic pull-out organizers and shelves, keeping your kitchen neat and well organized. With all these innovations, it's clear that Valerie innovations are designed to transform small kitchens efficient, stylish, and practical. Ever wondered how a kitchen in Beverly Hills would look? This is your answer. Sleek, luxurious, and packed with cutting-edge features. From high-end materials to smart, space-saving innovations, it's a perfect blend of style and functionality, designed for those who want their kitchen to make a statement. This modern kitchen offers an array of practical and functional features, including the innovative iMove system. This technology enables effortless access to high shelves, simplifying organization in your kitchen. The wall unit equipped with a servo drive allows you to open cabinets even when your hands are full, enhancing the convenience of your daily tasks. The kitchen is illuminated by integrated LED lighting, a standout feature in modern design that creates a bright and stylish workspace. One of the standout features of this remarkable kitchen is the countertop, which includes a designated showcase area for your kitchen utensils, along with drawers on both sides for unparalleled practicality. Additionally, the kitchen features a magic corner cabinet, a clever solution that provides easy access to items stored in those tricky blind corners beneath the counter, ensuring every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Finally, the kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a dishwasher and an Aveline socket positioned above the worktop, seamlessly combining style and functionality. Zortaş is a visionary interior designer specializing in innovative concepts. He offers a stunning array of kitchen designs that not only enhance aesthetic appeal, but also maximize space efficiency. His creations feature clever solutions like corner cabinets, hidden pantries, and smooth sliding drawers and much more, ensuring your kitchen is both stylish and functional. The circular kitchen designed by Original Circle Kitchen is a masterclass in maximizing functionality within compact spaces. It seamlessly incorporates essential features such as a wash basin, an induction cooker, and an exhaust hood, all while providing ample storage with numerous drawers and shelves. One of the standout features of this innovative kitchen is its rotating shelving system. Each shelf operates independently and can rotate a full 360 degrees, offering unparalleled accessibility and enhancing organization. This thoughtful design ensures that every item is within easy reach, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Describing the design as modern would be an understatement. This kitchen embodies a truly futuristic aesthetic in every sense of the word. Its sleek lines and cutting-edge functionality make it a remarkable addition to any contemporary home, proving that style and practicality can coexist beautifully. The Zoya-Kitchen furniture collection is the perfect complement to any modern, spacious interior. With its sleek design and contemporary aesthetics, this collection elevates the look of your kitchen while providing functionality. A diverse selection of cabinets allows you to create a fully functional kitchen tailored to your needs. This flexibility makes it easy to customize your space, and the mechanism operates with liquid smoothness, ensuring soft opening and closing. As such, the storage and surfaces necessary for all your cooking are guaranteed, and more. This kitchen showcases refined, understated handles paired with fronts made from robust 19mm, thick-foiled MDF boards, ensuring both resilience and a modern flair. Complementing this are the cabinetry's sleek bodies, crafted from 16mm white laminated boards that contribute a fresh and elegant finish to the overall aesthetic.